Hi everybody, it's Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I'm going to take you through this brand new 2025 Sea Ray 23 SPX. This is a great bow rider and family boat. It's got tons of seating, lots of great features, and we're going to start up here at the bow. And I want to point out something that's unique to Sea Ray, and that's the very deep seating. As you can see, the boat surrounds me. I'm a pretty big guy, and it comes up nice and high up in the bow. So if you've got little kids, this is a great safety feature. Let's take a look at the helm area up here, where we've got a nice ergonomic helm with a captain's chair that swivels, moves forward and back to get you comfortable. Also has a flip-up bolster if you want to sit a little bit higher. Neat feature on this boat is the Simrad electronic display that has GPS, sonar, and all your engine data electronically right there on the dashboard. You got stereo controls, push button start right here with the digital shift, power steering with a tilt steering wheel as well. Really neat feature. Right across from the helm, we've got this head compartment, which is nice and roomy. It also gives you an area to store the cushion for the bow filler up front. And it has dockside pump out, so it's not a porta potty that you have to remove. You go to a marina, they'll clean it out for you. Another captain's chair up front, also swivels and is adjustable. Really comfortable seating. As you can see in the cockpit, we've got a nice open area with bench seating all the way around. Again, it's nice and deep. There's handrails where you need them, cup holders where you need them, lots of storage underneath all the seats, in the floor, and right back here we've got a really neat storage compartment that's finished inside. The filler panel for the bow will fit in here, as well as the cushion. You can put beach chairs in here, coolers, your safety gear. Really nice compartment, easy access. Another neat feature about it is the flip-up backrest for when you're hanging out at the sandbar and you just want to sit facing off the back of the boat, hanging out. This is a great little feature with the pop-up sun pad. We've got a ski tow pylon in the back, and we've got the Mercury 200 horsepower engine, complete with power steering and electronic shift for really easy handling. If you have any questions about this boat or would like to set up a sea trial, you can reach me at 904-545-5310. Thank you.